Hi, I'm Jim Tondele Sr., CEO of Presidio Mortgage. It's the 29th of the month and the checks are starting to come in. What I like to do is have control over my investments, as you probably do also. You've heard a lot of things when you've talked to people about investing in mortgages that they can be risky and you can have problems with them. And a lot of people have. And the way to avoid this is very simple. I've been doing this for 30 years now, and there's a couple of cardinal rules that you've got to remember. Number one, don't get into any pools. Don't invest in any part of an LLC that's investing in something where somebody else is controlling your money. When you invest with us, you are named in your vesting, husband and wife, whatever it is, or your trust, on the deed of trust that's recorded at the county recorder's office, on the note, and the borrower has a direct relationship with you. So you're watching your money and he's mailing you your money. Very simple to do, and what we do is put your money together with good borrowers who need private funds because they've got to close fast, they've got to do things, or corporations, etc. Just like the last time you went to the bank, it was very difficult for you to get a loan. So what we're going to do is take a very simple concept of giving you a package that has a loan application, credit report, a preliminary title report, comparable sales. I'm not a big fan of written appraisals because a lot of people lost money on written appraisals in the last go around, 2009, 2010. The simplest way to do it is, we live in a technology age. You just go on to Zillow, go on to realtor.com, and you can see pretty much what everything in the neighborhood of the house is selling for. We only do first mortgages. What that means is there's people that'll get higher interest rate, do second mortgages, third mortgages, but when everything hits the fan, if you're a second or third mortgage and that first mortgage forecloses, you lose your money. So you got to keep up with the first mortgage if you're doing seconds and thirds, which I don't recommend. I want to go out to the mailbox, get the checks, and go to sleep at night. I want to make sure we're at a lower loan to value of realistic value, not made up value. We want to take care of your money like it was our own money. I don't do any loans that I wouldn't do with my own money, because I've got money coming in, coming out, and these are the exact same loans that you're getting in. They're all in California. If something goes wrong, it's not a long, drawn-out process of foreclosure. It's typically 3 months, somebody hasn't paid you, they're ignoring you, you filed a notice of default, there's 4 months from that point before there's a foreclosure sale, and if the foreclosure sale goes through, nobody bids on the property, it's your property. So you better be prepared to, every loan that you make, be comfortable with the value that you would not feel bad if you had to take it back at that amount. We've had no foreclosures since 2012, very few late payments. But you know, it's cycling. And I've been through 3 good cycles and 3 bad cycles. So what you want to do is realize, if you are an investor in real estate, you feel comfortable in real estate, this is so much easier than owning units and doing all the maintenance and dealing with tenants. I hope you give us a call. I'd like to do business with you, and the important thing is we need to move quickly. When we give you an opportunity on a mortgage, typically the people want to close within a week. So you have to make a quick decision, and if you are a quick decision maker, give me a call.